Isuzu A10 is the Isuzu A10 EX zip loader truck. Isuzu A10 is number 8 Adfield Corporation. Alright, the problem there is the zip loader Isuzu A10. Okay, no problem, there is the A10 dump truck. Or problem there is the Isuzu A10. That problem there is the no choice. A10 EX. Alright, the problem there is the zip loader. Alright, the problem there. Okay, no problem. Is the zip load black zip load A10 Isuzu A10. Okay, is the right, the problem there is the or no problem there. Okay, last more. Okay, Isuzu A10 dump truck. Ay, zip loader. Ay, not. Okay, it's the zip loader truck. Zip loader. Okay, it's the back zip load A10. Okay, no problem there. It's the okay, 5 4 3 2 1 go.